You're listening to Texas Top Homes. I'm your host, Freeman Sawyer. With me is my co-host, Tracy Wiesman. Today, we're visiting with one of Texas' top realtors, Tessa Larson for Keller Williams. Welcome to the show, Tessa.
Thank you for having me.
So, Tessa, I know you're pretty excited about a new partnership you and your team have with Home Partners of America. Can you explain to our listeners exactly what that is and how it can help them?
So, Home Partners of America is a national company. They're not just exclusive to Texas. There is no such thing as a lease-to-own program that is on the real estate side. So what they do is they come in and they buy the house cash. And of course, the house has certain parameters. So for example, it has to be in a certain school district. It has to be so far from train tracks. It has to be in a no-fly zone. Like there's definitely parameters around the house.
Sure.
And the purpose is that they give the option for a person to buy that house who may not have been able to at that moment. So let's say you need to work on your credit for 6 months. Well, you can go and find the house you want, get it right now. They actually purchase the house cash, you lease it back from them, and you sign a 12-month lease. The catch to all of this is nothing is free, right?
Right.
There's a premium to somebody coming in and paying cash for you to live there. And so at the end of the deal, when you decide to purchase it, there's a small premium amount that they add on top of the contract. But that's all agreed to prior to you buying it. It's not like you would not know.
Right.
You make that agreement when you...
So if you've been sitting on the sidelines with some sort of credit trauma or drama, they'll come in, pay cash for the house, lease it back to you with the option to convert that to permanent financing when you qualify.
That's correct. And it's day one, from the first day of your lease all the way to up to 3 years. They'll do a 3-year lease with you.
Gotcha. And there's also there's 2/3 of the population currently sitting on the sidelines, right? So there's people who've had a credit trauma or drama, right? Mm-hmm. And then there's self-employed people.
That's right.
That show a loss on their tax returns, right? Or
get the loan.
And just don't qualify anymore. So that would also be somebody who might be a person of interest in that lease-to-own program you're talking about.
Yeah, and I had one person did it, and they had perfect credit. They were just waiting on a settlement check.
Gotcha.
So they had money coming. They just didn't have the down payment today.
Got it.
So they found the house they wanted, wanted it now, and we got them in that house because of the partnership we have with them.
Yeah, that's a great tool for you to offer your buyers.
It is, and I don't know very many people who partner with them, so I guess I'm a rarity that that they chose to work with me. I'm grateful for that, and we work with them.
Well, congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Tessa, how can folks find you? Give us your website and phone number.
Sure. My phone number is 469-248-5119, and my website is www.agenttessa.com.